Hi, I'm Neema from Neema's Kitchen. In today's tips and tricks, let's learn how to make a red chili paste. This is a basic ingredient in many Asian recipes. I use it in many of my dishes just to enhance the color. That is the natural color of food. It's really simple to make. So dear friends, let's get started. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. Let's have a look at the ingredients. 100 grams of de-seeded dry red chilies. Here I am using Kashmiri chilies, but you can use any chilies of your choice. Water 1 cup. Vegetable oil 5 tablespoons. Vinegar 4 tablespoons. First step is to add the dry red chilies in a pan along with water and cook till it is boiled and the chilies are soft. So I am going to add in our dried chilies. And 1 cup of water. Cover it up with a lid and let's wait to boil. It's boiling. Let's wait for the water to reduce. Water has reduced. Now let's add vinegar. Mix well. And cook it for about 5 minutes. See, our chilies are soft. Now let's allow it to cool completely till it comes onto room temperature. Our chilies are ready to go in a clean and dry blender with the balance of water. So I'm just going to add the chilies. It's really very soft. The balanced water. Let's blend it. Now let me check and see whether my paste needs more water. Yeah, it needs more water. Here I am having some boiled water which has been cooled down to room temperature. Now I am going to drop in a tiny bit. Blend again. Our paste has been blended very well. So let's transfer the paste to a bowl. Take a heavy bottom pan like this and add oil and the blended paste. See the color. It's all due to my Kashmiri chili. The Kashmiri chili gives a fiery red color. Salt till the raw smell of the chilies are gone and the oil has topped up. Our chili paste is now ready. This is how it looks. I love making large batches of red chili paste and storing it in a sterilized jar for up to 2 weeks. Guess what? It makes the perfect gift for a foodie friend. Hope you will try it out. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you in my next video with another tips and tricks.